Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your Xbox One. It's important to note that there are actually two requirements in order to change the date and time on your Xbox One. The first, your Xbox must currently be your home Xbox, and I'll go into the settings and show you how to check that. And then second, your Xbox must be offline. Once your Xbox goes back online, it'll reset to the default time, which is going to be the current time. So to get started with changing the date and time on our Xbox One, the first thing we need to do is make sure that our Xbox One is our home Xbox. We do that by first selecting the Xbox guide button on our controller to open the menu, and then going all the way to the right until we get to Profile and System, and then going down to Settings and selecting Settings with A. Once you open up the settings in the General menu, go to the right and select Personalization, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to My Home Xbox, select that, enter your passcode if you need to, and as you can see, this is currently my home Xbox. Now, if you're curious to learn more about home Xbox and what that means, check the description because I have a tutorial going over that. Once you've confirmed or made this your home Xbox, select B for back, and then keep going back until we get back to the settings. Now, once we're in the general settings, go to network settings, and then select go offline. Once you've selected go offline, go ahead and reboot your Xbox by holding down the guide button on your Xbox, and then going up to restart console. This will restart our Xbox One, and from here we need to open up the settings again and go to the left sidebar, go down to System, and under System we just want to go to Time. And as you can see here, now we can go to the right, select time, we can select a specific time, then we can go down to date and select any day we want to, and go back in time if we want. All right, so that's how you change the date and time on your Xbox One. Now remember, if you go back online, it'll switch back to the default time for your Xbox One. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox One tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.